In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Bemob with ClickBank. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your ClickBank account to connect your tracking, keep your data clean, and set yourself up for reliable reporting. Make sure you're signed into both platforms before you start, so you can quickly copy any details you need. Begin on the ClickBank dashboard. This is your main control center, and it's where you'll navigate to the area that controls your seller settings. If you're not already there, log in and land on the overview page so the top navigation is visible. Next, open the accounts section. You'll find this option in the main menu inside ClickBank. It lists all of your sub-accounts under your profile. Many users have more than one account, especially if they separate vendor and affiliate activity. So this step ensures you're working in the correct place for your offers. Choose your nickname by clicking the account you want to configure. Think of the nickname as the specific workspace where your products and settings live. If you have multiple nicknames, pick the one associated with the product or funnel you plan to track in Bemob. This avoids mixing data across brands or campaigns and keeps your reports accurate. Inside that account, head to Vendor Settings. This menu houses the controls that affect how ClickBank communicates with external tools and where it sends users after a purchase. If you don't see Vendor Settings, double check that you're inside a vendor-enabled account and that you have the right permissions. The layout can vary slightly based on your role, but the Vendor Settings area is always the place you configure your selling and integration details. From Vendor Settings, you can set up Bemob with your ClickBank account. This is where you'll connect your tracking by referencing the fields that govern notifications, return or thank you pages, and any parameters you want passed into your tracker. Have your Bemob campaign details ready in a separate tab so you can quickly copy what's needed without guessing. Keep your naming consistent between ClickBank and Bemob and make sure time zones and currencies match to prevent reporting mismatches. After entering your details, save your changes and give it a moment for settings to apply. A quick review in both dashboards will confirm that everything looks aligned before you scale traffic. That's it. You went from the ClickBank dashboard into accounts, into your specific nickname, into vendor settings, and from there connected the pieces you need for Bemob. Keep these steps handy, and you'll be able to repeat the process confidently for any additional accounts or offers.